Libra. So it's Misty Tarot, and I'm going to be doing your tarot reading for the next 8 days, Libra. Okay, so Libra, for the channel message I got for you, I got, who is the fairest of them all? Okay, so let's get into it. I thought that was kind of funny. I hope you did too. Let's see what the cards have to say. So I feel like you're feeling yourself, Libra, of course. And you're just like, okay, so anybody who has something to say about it can literally get, you know, kind of feel, kind of vibe. But you're using your weapon of choice would be like warmth and compassion and stuff like that. I'm getting the saying, kill him with kindness. You could be dealing with a Sagittarius as well. Libra for the next 8 days. Thank you. So we have this star popping out for you. So, and then the priestess underneath. So it could be dealing with an air sign. I'm getting Aquarius, Gemini. But with these cards in general, it makes me think these two cards together is very, very, very magical. Because the star is about like the balance of like nature, and the priestess is the all-knowing, the moon. Or could be dealing with the Pisces as well. Now I'm hearing Pisces or Aquarius. And this is telling me that to go back to your nature. These cards are telling me be in your nature. So I feel like once you be in your nature, this is having love for yourself as well. This Two of Cups is having, you know, you probably want to be tied down because we have the Nine of Cups coming up for you as well. This is a wish fulfillment. You wish to, you know, be bound to somebody. Of course, Libra, you know, and you deserve that. You deserve to have marriage as well. Because we have 10 of coins coming out here with the devil in the world. And this person may see you as their world, and that's exactly what you want, though. But the cards are telling me, once you be in your nature, once you love yourself with these Two of Cups right here, that the universe wouldn't have a problem giving these things to you. Huh. Wow. Okay. We're only 3 minutes in. Okay, now. Spirit obviously needed to tell you this. Alright, so, Spirit, what's this 10 of Coins devil in the world, please? I have a feeling that some of y'all are probably not getting that much sleep because the Nine of Swords wanted to come out, and that indicates insomnia and anxiety as well. So the lovely, lovely Libra. So I feel like you are the fairest of them all. With the 10 of Coins, the devil in the world. This is so funny to me. Could be dealing with a Capricorn as well, is what I'm seeing. Okay. So, let's see. Also, I'm getting Masonic energy off of this as well. So, good news. You have been initiated, or you're the initiator. So, we have the Queen of Spears here. Could be dealing with a fire sign. I feel like a fire sign wants to build with you. These are additional messages. You want to work together with the fire signs. Could be Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. I'm getting... Here, let's see. Clarify this Queen of Stairs for me. Thank you. I feel like there's a side message for some people that there's an Aquarius trying to juggle and balance different like workloads is what I'm seeing, is what I'm hearing. So this Fool card is indicating to me that there's going to be a leap of faith or towards a jump towards something. And I feel like this fire sign, okay. Can you clarify this Queen of Spears and Two of Coins, please? What are you up to, Libra? Okay, so Eight of Cups. I feel like... So we have the Eight of Cups here popping out and the Two of Spears. So I feel like you have some suitors here, okay? And I'm seeing that... okay, I don't even want to fuck with that. I see some of y'all, be tripping for real. Some of y'all Libras be messing with people's hearts for sure. Alright, so I see that some of y'all are trying to make it work with like a fire sign as well, and you still like you have different options and you're just like trying to find the flavor that you enjoy, you know what I mean? So Libra, and there's nothing wrong with that at all. Okay, so I feel like you here, one second, let me get some clarification cards because I know that there's some people that watch me that are underage as well. I feel like you're dealing with Aquarius or have that in your chart. Okay, Capricorn I'm getting, Capricorn, Libra, Pisces, and Aquarius. Okay, so let's see what cards we get out of this pile that I made all by myself, okay? Okay, so the Hierophant. This is the Hierophant for me. This is a mirror that kind of shows you your heart, the golden heart. Like when you look into the mirror, what do you see? You see so I feel like part of what you do, part of your job in the world, spiritually speaking, is to help people. This is interesting. This is a really interesting reading here. Because the Priestess is coming out again. And it's telling me there's some things that I'm not allowed to say. There's something that is hidden too as well. And... okay. I'm going to need another clarification card for this here. Spirit, what is this? A Hierophant, the Hermit, and the High Priestess. Okay, I'm getting a lot of the mercy of beauty, the wisdom of mercy. I'm getting a lot of mercy energy from here, from this. A lot of mercy. I'm getting a lot of hand energy as well, like the hand and the nails. Maybe take care of those. All right, so we got the clarification cards. So the 10 of Cups here. And the 8 of Swords popping out. So I feel like you for the next 8 days, you're going to be focused on the mercy of beauty and the wisdom of it as well. And how having that in the earth energy is going to give you the emotional fulfillment. And I feel like a Pisces could be an emotional fulfillment towards you as well. Or an earth sign, because I am getting Taurus and Virgo as well, okay? So take this as you may. 11:11 on the clock. If you like this, please like and subscribe, okay? And I'll see you next time. Bye.